Hello dear student, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the number pattern. So there are various kinds of number pattern, so we will discuss few of them. So as you can observe in the screen, this is a triangular number sequence. Why it is triangular? Because by using this number combination you can make the triangle. For example, here circle is here 1. 1 means nothing but you can say 1 dot. So by using that 1 dot you can make any shape. Okay. If 3 dots are there, 3 dots are there means you can put second dot here, third dot here. So you can make the triangle like that. So that is what the various shapes have been given. So you can observe this figure, 1 dot also can construct the various shape like triangle. 3 dot means if you add 2 extra dot there you will get the triangle. In this 3 dot if you add again next 3 dot you will get the triangle. Same here and same in the last figure. So here there is a simple logic dear student. So here there is a 1 dot. So if you add 2 you are getting 3 dot. So you will get the triangle. So in that 3 dot if you add 3, so you will get 6 dot, and by using that you can construct triangle. In 6 if you add 4, you will be getting total 6 dots and you can get the triangle. In 10 suppose if you add 5, okay, so you are getting 15 dot and you can construct the triangle. So there is particular sequence. Means in 1 if you add 2 you will get 3. By using 3 you can get the triangle. If you add 3 you will get 6. Then again if you add 4. So here you see the sequence plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So by using certain logic you can remember the triangular number. So 1 is triangular number if you add 2. 3 is triangular number, then next time you have to add 3. 6 is triangular. So in this way you can construct many triangular numbers. So here the important note is 1 can be represented in a triangle or square shape. That is very important. So 1 is both triangular and square number. Next one you can observe in this picture the number pattern, it is like that. So now I am telling about the square pattern. So this is nothing but single dot. So this is 4 dot. Next one is 9 dot. So how you can remember? There is one logic except one it is applicable. Number of row, here it is 2. Number of column 2. So here also number of row 3. Number of column 3. So if you remember the sequence 1 into 1 is 1. So what happened? It is a square number. Then next one is it will construct the square. Next number is 2 into 2 is 4. So by using 4 dot you can construct the square. So next one is 3 into 3, that is 9. So it means by using 9 dot you can construct the square. Next one is 4 into 4 is 16. So then also you can do the same. So here some examples are given 1, 9, 4, 16. Because it is formed with the multiplication of two equal number. So the pattern is formed like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. So these are what? Square numbers. Next topic I am including here. If you are aware about the calendar, 3 row and 3 column you have to select from your calendar. And if you select 3 row and 3 column, some pattern will be applicable. So we will discuss the different pattern. Okay. So there are total 2 pattern in this calendar. Pattern 1 is, you see carefully in the picture, if we add the number of central column, central row or both the diagonal, the sum will be the same. And what they are telling again, central column. So central column is which one? This one, 7, 14 and 21. So their sum is 42. As well as central row means 13, 14 and 15. So their addition is 42. As well as central row, central column and both the diagonal. Diagonal means, here I first highlight so that you can easily understand. This is central row, central column. These are the diagonal. This is one more diagonal. So whatever their sum is there, you can observe it will be same. You can observe their sum is 42. So this pattern can be found in any 3 by 3 block of pattern you pick from calendar month. Whatever the month is there, you can check it. Their sum of central row, both the diagonal and center column will be same. If I do the sum of first row, what is that sum? 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 6 is what? Exactly, it is less than 42. So it is applicable, this pattern is applicable with center column, center row on both the diagonals. So this is pattern number 1. Pattern 2 is the sum of number in extreme end is equal to the twice of the number. Again, you have to take 3 by 3 any particular data from your month, and this is what 3 row and 3 column data. So this thing is applicable in each and every row and each and every column. So let's check. Suppose if you take this row, 3 plus 5 11, sorry, 3 plus 5 8, and 4 into 2 is what? 8. So you see both are same. Now here they have taken 3 4 5, so 5 plus 3 is 8 and 4 into 2 is 8. If you take any diagonal, that is 3 11 and 19, 11 and 19 plus 3 is 22, 11 into 2 is 22. If I take even suppose last column, 19 plus 5 how much? 24. So 12 into 2 is 24. So their extreme number, okay, the sum of number in the extreme ends, that is equal to the twice of the number in the middle. So this is the you can say the 2 pattern. Now some practices are there, and here it is given. So here some practices are there. Here some questions have been given. Find the first 10 triangular number. So that I already told in the presentation how you can get that. So you have to solve this. Find the 20 square number. That also I explained. Next one is you have to create the pattern. So for creating pattern, I just solve the A. B1 you have to solve. So here first one is 9. Next number is 9 8. Third number is 9 8 7. So what about next? 9 8 7 6. Then here 9 8 7 6 5. So in this way you have to solve. Fourth one, you have to make 3 by 3 block from the calendar and make the pattern. That thing we have already discussed. So this one you have to solve, and I hope you understood this. You don't have any doubt. Thanks for watching. Thank you.